Hello there and welcome to my channel. My name is Chioma. If this is your first time, then hello again. Please don't forget to subscribe to Mommy Sion by using the button below. Today I'll be making some simple purees that babies can be given as a first food. It is highly recommended that babies start eating solid once they are 6 months. However, it is always good to start it gradually and with simple foods, one ingredient at a time before mixing and matching. The fruits and vegetables that I have here are always the best to start giving baby. I'll start with apple puree. As we all know the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Apple is a great choice for baby's first food because it is nutritious, easy to digest, and also easy to prepare. Now I'm going to cut the apple into 2 and use 1/2. If you are making some batches to freeze, then you can use the whole apple. But half is always enough for baby's meal. Cut out the core and the seed. I'm peeling off the back. However, if your baby is 8 months and above, you don't need to peel it off before cooking. Now I'm cutting it into small pieces ready for cooking. I'm going to put it in a pot and add some water. You don't really need to add much water because apples normally release liquid when they are cooking. I'm going to cook it for about 4 to 5 minutes so that the apples will soften. As you can see, it is soft and ready to be pureed. I allowed it to cool a bit before pouring into my blender. I'm adding milk. It must either be breast milk or baby formula. It is not advisable to use any other milk for baby unless you are cooking with it. Now it's being blended to a puree. Make sure you blend it well. And if your blender is not strong enough, you can use a strainer to strain it so that you make sure there are no lumps in the one you're going to give baby. Our puree is all ready now. Serve it alone first, and then you can add it to baby's cereal as you progress. Next is carrot puree. Carrots are an excellent source of beta carotene, which helps baby's eyes to glow and shine. They are also a good source of fiber, and this is especially good for babies who eat cereals that are low in fiber. They are also easy to swallow and easy to digest. As you can see, I've peeled and I'm cutting the carrots. I'm going to cook it with water and a little butter. Adding butter or fat when cooking helps babies to absorb the vitamin A in the carrots. I'll allow it to cook, and the carrots are cooked once it is soft. It takes about 8 to 10 minutes. Pour into the blender once it is cooled a bit and puree. forget to give this video a thumbs up, please. So here is our carrots, all ready for baby's enjoyment. I must confess, it tastes so good. We are now going to make pear puree. Pears are almost the same with apples and cooked the same way. They are equally nutritious and easy for baby's tummy to digest once cooked. So you have to peel, cut, chop, and then cook it with a little water, just like I said, like apple, for about 4 to 5 minutes. Pour into the blender once it is cooled a bit and puree. All ready for baby's enjoyment. Now you can store and freeze these purees that we made. This ice cube tray makes it easier to take out what baby needs. Once it is frozen, you can transfer into a Ziploc to free your ice cube trays. You can easily thaw for baby's feeding by putting in a bowl, then place the bowl in another bowl of warm water. Sealing it well before freezing it. That way you are sure your baby's food is safe and intact. This next set of purees does not need any cooking, and we are going to start with banana puree. Bananas are great for babies, kids, and all ages. Adults, we all love bananas. They are naturally sweet and nutritious and provides lots of energy. I have peeled the banana and I'm now cutting it up, getting it ready to be mashed with a fork. As you can see, they are soft that it mashes up easily. However, you can also use a blender if you don't feel comfortable giving your baby the mashed one. Just add a little liquid and blend away. Now add some liquid to the mashed banana and keep on mashing till you get the required consistency that you want. This is perfect. In fact, this is the first fruit you should try for your baby. It is quite simple to prepare, it is very easily digestible for babies, and it is very sweet. Next is avocado puree. Avocado is a highly nutritious fruit. We call it ubo ibo in Igbo. It has a creamy texture, which makes it the first great food for baby. Avocado contains good fats and vitamin E that will make your baby's skin to glow too. If you are not giving your baby avocados, then you need to start. I'm cutting it in an easy way and then mashing it up. You can also puree if you want. I'm adding a little milk to give it a lighter texture. You can mix avocado and banana together. This is for babies that may not like the taste of avocado alone. One thing to remember, avocado and banana don't freeze well, So only make the quantity that baby can finish at a time. Finally, we have mango puree. Who doesn't love mangoes? They are equally as nutritious as other fruits. There are some claims out there that mangoes cause allergies, which is not proven. I just want you to be aware of it and be observant when feeding this to your baby. 1/2 of mango is enough for baby. Slice it across and across again to make it easy to remove, and then put in the blender and puree well. If you're a first-time mom, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Mommy's Yum. You can also visit the website mommysyum.com for more recipe ideas which are not yet here. Click the link in the description box below. And unlike banana and avocado, mangoes can be frozen till a later date. Scoop into your storage containers or ice cube tray and then take out as needed. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next one. Bye.